How to use Moonshot app, a beginner tutorial. So to get started, we'll be introduced with some information here, permission, giving us the chance to invite our friends, but we can skip that for now. But most importantly, it's gonna give us the opportunity to make an account. So first we're gonna have to sign in or register if we don't have an account yet. So in order to sign in into Moonshot, we'll just give it an email that we'll be using for it. Once you provide your Gmail, it should give you a verification that you'll have to input. Once you make an account and log into Moonshot, you'll be immediately given access to all their features. As you can see here, we can see trending memes that people are buying the most. We'll be able to get live updates about hot moonshots and track our findings. And of course, we'll be able to share our gains with our friends if we do have any. That's mostly found in our home section. For our reward section, it's mostly if we have our friends. The more we invite, the more of a percentage we'll be able to earn of our trading fees for each friend we refer. And finally, for our holdings. Here we can make cash deposits, withdrawals with our credit and debit cards, and cash out our holdings at any time with easy bank transfers. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show any of those because I'm kind of broke, but you'll be able to gain the feature as long as you have your account, whereas it's already verified. But anyways, that's mostly what Moonshot is about. The fact that it's incredibly easy to do all these conversions, buyings, and sells, that's the main idea of Moonshot. So that's all the info you'll pretty much need as a beginner. So if you want to upgrade your knowledge about Moonshot, then it is very recommended to keep learning more about this. But this is a beginner's tutorial. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.